at us on vacation. Hi.
Hi. This is our restaurant that we were at last night.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Which was
Really good.
balls.
I know, they had the gluten-free stuff.
Oh, we got to get a lifetime supply of Rice-a Roni.
That's our quest. We need a lifetime supply of Rice-a Roni.
Look at that hill.
I see the hill. We're gonna go up the hill.
Because I need more hill training.
You do. You're from Pittsburgh. We got hills.
They don't look so bad. They have plateaus. It's fine.
It's like riding a roller coaster.
We can always hop on one of those.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is fine. It's good pace.
Okay.
Slow. Keep it steady.
Yeah.
Don't want to give it all up in the first. I don't know what you call it at the beginning.
I don't know. It sounds like you're talking about your first date. Going up the hill. I like the buildings.
So I don't know if we're going to find a lifetime supply of.
We gotta find it. It's here. It's a San Francisco treat.
I know.
There we go. That's what we're looking for.
Yes.
We're going this way. All right.
Oh, we got to go through.
We have to, yeah. Good it for good luck. Through the arch. Now we're going through Chinatown.
So what is the history, though, that we're supposed to be learning? Because the medallions don't tell us anything.
The things like, oh, hey, you want to walk through San Fran, but you don't know what to see?
This is the way to go.
This is the way to go. Well, I guess we could have done like an audio book. Look at Lion. No, really, I'm not lying. It's right there. This looks cool. Tell me if I'm getting hit by a car.
One way?
I don't know.
Hey, you do fart around.
I do.
You're gas powered, though.
I am gas powered. It's not farting.
You're farting around. You could actually head that way.
That way?
Yeah.
Okay.